AI tools every translator should learn, let's face it. AI is no longer coming, it's already here. And if you're a translator in 2025, ignoring AI is like refusing to use a computer in 1995. But here's the good news: AI isn't just a threat, it's also an opportunity. The right tools can help you work faster, focus on creativity, and even offer new services to your clients. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 AI tools every translator should learn and how they can help you stay ahead. 1. DeepL Translator. One of the most accurate machine translation tools available. It produces fluent output and is perfect for drafting. But remember, it's a starting point, not a final version. Your touch brings the quality. 2. ChatGPT or similar tools. More than just a translator, it's a language assistant. You can use it to rephrase awkward sentences, create glossaries, understand tone, brainstorm cultural alternatives. The key is giving clear prompts. It's not about asking, it's about guiding the AI. 3. Grammarly or Quillbot. These tools help improve grammar, clarity, and flow. Perfect for polishing translations, especially into English. But again, you decide what sounds right, not the tool. 4. Notion AI. A smart workspace for translators. Use it to manage projects, summarize texts, and organize ideas. It helps you stay productive and focused. 5. CAT Tools plus MT, e.g., Trados. CAT tools are essential for professionals. When combined with AI, they speed up work, but you remain the expert. You approve, edit, and deliver quality. Final thought. AI is not replacing translators. It's changing the way we work. Those who embrace the tools will stay ahead. Those who fear them may fall behind. So don't compete with machines. Use them. Let them handle the routine. You focus on the meaning. The future needs smart translators, not fast ones. It needs humans who lead the language with heart and skill.